In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get set up with ElevenLabs, a powerful text-to-speech platform. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just dipping your toes into voiceovers and audio generation, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know to get started. The first step in this process is to create an account with ElevenLabs. To do that, head over to their website. Once you're there, you'll notice a sign-up option, which typically involves giving your email address. It's a straightforward process, much like creating an account on any other online platform. Just ensure you're using a secure and regularly checked email, as this will be vital for managing your account and receiving updates or notifications. After setting up your account, you're now ready to explore the subscription plans available. Once logged in, go to the pricing page. You'll see several options laid out, and it's important to choose a plan that matches your specific needs. Let's go over what each plan offers to help you make an informed decision. First, there's the free plan, which is a fantastic choice if you're a beginner wanting to experiment without any upfront cost. It grants you 10,000 characters per month, but keep in mind it does not come with a commercial license and you'll need to provide attribution. This plan is perfect if you're just exploring the capabilities of the platform or handling smaller projects. Next up, the starter plan, priced affordably at $5 per month or just $1 for the first month, offers a step up. With this plan, you'll receive 30,000 characters per month, along with instant voice cloning and, importantly, a commercial license. So if you're looking to use the service for business or monetized content, this plan provides the basics for commercial use. Then there's the creator plan. If your needs are more demanding, at $22 per month or $11 for the first trial month, this plan provides a substantial 100,000 characters monthly and includes professional voice cloning features. Ideal for those who intend to produce high-quality, large-scale audio work on a regular basis. To get more detailed information on these tiers, you can check out the ElevenLabs subscription help page, which offers a comprehensive breakdown of each plan's features. Once you've decided on the right plan, the next step is to go ahead and purchase it. Simply click on the Subscribe or Buy Now button next to your chosen plan. You'll be directed to a checkout page where you can enter your payment information. Make sure everything is correct before confirming the purchase. And there you have it. By confirming this purchase, you activate your subscription, unlocking access to the full suite of features that come with your new plan. With these steps completed, you're all set to start creating with ElevenLabs. Enjoy exploring the exciting possibilities your new subscription offers.